welcome back to my channel, 20B LV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. I have a collab video with Yota, the lovely Yota of YotaStyle. We are going to unbox and reveal our most recent purchase. Well, maybe it's our most. She and I have been really busy, but we have a Coach unboxing for you guys. Yes, this Coach bag it has swept the world in such a fever pitch. It kind of reminds me of the Pochette Accessoire, the multi. Remember that? Year before last? It was just like anybody could talk about and get their hands on. So Coach has done the same thing. Not the same bag, but they have released some bags that are... Listen, I can't even. But first I have to show you that my friend Quinny and Mark, hubby Mark, don't forget him, came through with the Mega Value 100 Jaffa Cakes. For me, I just got this package last week. I'm sorry to say that I've eaten 50 of them probably in a week. That's bad, but they're so good. I love them. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I had lots and lots of people try to actually send me these, and a really nice flight attendant, girl, you know who you are, who does frequent over here. She was going to fly into Texas, and she was like, girl, I will bring a box and send them to your address, but I was like, no, my girl Quinny's got me covered. But gosh, thank you guys, everybody that reached out on these, because I'm addicted. I'm like, this is my crack. Okay, so the bag that is just currently, yeah, I got everybody whipped up into a frenzy. This year's it bag, it's got to be the Coach Pillow Tabby 26, and now the mini. And you know, I went a little crazy for these. So I'm just going to go ahead. Yota and I have bought pillow tabbies together. She bought two. I bought two. We're going to unbox them. I hope she's gotten her other one. Last time before I checked with her, before I started taping this or recording this, she had not received her second one, but I got both of mine. I was like, oh, we got to get this video going, girl. But as you can see, it is all wrapped up nicely. Now, girl did not get it from Coach. I had to resort to eBay because the green was sold out, and I really wanted the green color. And so I looked at it one day when I got this maybe a couple weeks ago, and I was like, oh, girl, I got to get that. And I waited like 1 second. It refreshed my cart, and it was, sorry, sold out, green gone. So I had to resort to, yeah, to eBay. But listen, what got me about this green bag is, oh my gosh, look at her. Oh man, is it gorgeous or what? I don't know what took me, I don't know. It just grabbed a hold of my heart, and I was like, I have to have you. So I saw Devin. If you don't watch his channel, it's Devin Christopher. Go find him. I'll link him down below. But definitely go watch him unbox and watch all of his videos, because he's the sweetest, and I love him. And him and his husband, Kevin, Devin and Kevin. Yeah. So cute. They do tasting videos, like the British snacks and stuff. So entertainment. Definitely go watch him. But so he unboxed this, and I swear to you, you know, in movies when like the lead character will see someone that he's interested in, he or she is interested in, and they'll do a slow-mo and play the song Dreamweaver. That is exactly what happened to me when I watched him unbox this bag. It was just like everything was slow-mo. Everything slowed down, and I was like, oh, she has got to be mine. That's what happened with this bag. So I am so happy and tickled that I got the green, because you know, I love red bags, but I do have a secret spot for green shoes and bags. I love, and t-shirts. I just love green. This color green especially. Girl, let me get all the stuff off her.
20 minutes later.
Okay, I've decided not to take all the stuff off her because it's going to take 30 minutes and I don't think I have the battery life. So let me just look inside. Oh man, she smells so good. Why does she smell like a donut to me? That's weird, but she smells so great. Maybe the people that sold me this, the company that sold me this on eBay also has donuts in the back. I don't know. But look how cute. Oh, that's a nice touch. Is this just the, okay. Is this the, okay, it's the plastic. I was thinking like, is that little circular part green to match? But I think that's just a plastic covering, right? Yes, yes. Okay, I'm losing it. I love, love, love the clasp on this. Oh my gosh, check this out. You've seen this, guys. You've seen a bunch of people, because I watched so many videos of people unboxing this bag that my husband even said, like, get the bag. You're just going to obsess and obsess over it until you do. And I was like, you're co-signing me getting this bag? You don't realize how much it is, but thank you. I'm going to get it. So I did. So I actually paid a little bit under list for this one because it was eBay, and I don't know, but I offered a certain amount and they took the amount, which was under the $4.95 suggested retail that they were asking. Look at me, I'm getting all out of breath. So yeah, I think people that have the most wear, it's right here, isn't it, where you do the clasp. I think that's the most, but it's a pillow. Ooh, I imagine you're taking a flight and you just use this as a, girl, don't use this as a real pillow. But man, oh man, I love, love, love. Okay, so that is this bag. The 26, they call this. And I'm going to unwrap all this afterward, but ooh, I'm gone. I am dead again. Ooh. Okay, I can't get her to clasp. That's why the little protective film is... am I like losing it? Okay, there we go. I kept hearing rumblings of people saying, there's a mini. There's an even smaller pillow. And I was like, y'all are tripping. It's not on the website. They don't have a mini. That's crazy talk. But girl, they did have a mini. So this is 26 centimeters long in length. And I think the mini is 18. So I went on the Coach website, as you should. Nothing. My little friend Valentina BB, she offered to, she lives in Boston, and so she gave me her SA's name and number and emailed me. It was really sweet because she bought one. Because I was like on there, I can't remember whose video it was, but I was like on there like, they don't have it. I chatted with Coach the night that I saw somebody unbox it on this video, and I was like, I don't understand why you don't have it. And she goes, well, it's only overseas. And I was like, no, I've seen people here in the States unboxing it, so that's not right. Then she goes, well, hold on. She goes away, she comes back. Oh, it's only in the flagship store in New York. So I was still like, I was commenting in that chat, or in the comments on that video, like, what is going on? And so Valentina saw this, Valentina BB, and she was like, girl, let me hook you up. So she was going to get me her SA, but in the meantime, I found one on eBay again. So I paid less for the 26 and just a little over list on the 18, the mini. So it evened out. It was the same as if I bought them from the store or bought them from the website. But I'm so surprised that their staff didn't realize that they didn't sell the bag, but they did sell the bag here. So that's weird. But now everybody's got it. I think even Saks, well, I'm sure Saks Fifth Avenue has it. And I ordered one. So I bought these two. And then they have a purple one coming out in July. Or that's when they're going to fulfill my order. It's like pre-order now. So Yota and I went on there and she ordered her regular size ones. And I was like, well, I got to get a mini. So they didn't have it available. They had a pre-order for a purple one. I was like, yes, sold. So I bought that one too. That's supposed to come to me in July. But this one came in its little dust bag. This one that I bought, I guess that's why I got it cheaper. I didn't get a dust bag, but I'm not too concerned about that. But girl, what? So remember the bigger one? They had a few colors, and one of them was called Taffy. This is a little more rose colored pink to me, and it's even got like a little purplish hue to me. Maybe I just see purple and everything because I love it, but this one, ooh, girl, yes. Her little handle. Oh my gosh. Because y'all know I love tiny things. And this qualifies as tiny. I think you can get your phone in here. I did watch several unboxings of this one too. But yeah, you can get your phone in here. And that's all I really need in life. Even if I can't, you know me, I don't really... Oh, yeah, she fits. My phone fits. What? Oh, man. I got a little mirror in front of me. As y'all know, my old camera, my old-ass camera, does not have a pop-out viewfinder on it. So I put a big mirror in front of me so I can see what's going on while I'm filming because I don't want to look all crazy. Remember that day I had that thing on my shirt? I didn't even know it. Okay, so... this is the mini in the 18. This retails $3.95. Like I said, I paid a little over list, not much. Okay, so when my battery dies, I have no idea where I was, what was going on. I didn't go check. So just revealing this bag, we were talking about me buying it on eBay and that it retails for $3.95. I paid a little bit over list on this one, on the other one less, so it all evened out, and I really didn't mind. But now they're on the website, so there's 3 colors in this, right? That lime, real pale green, this one, which is like a rose pink color. What do they actually call this? Rouge, okay? And then they have like a creamy, like an off-white. I think I'm telling you right. But this is now, or it was yesterday when I looked, for sale on the Coach website. So they do have that. Apparently they're coming out with more colors because they'd be crazy not to add all kinds of stuff with this pillow colors and stuff, because this thing is, I mean, why do we love it so much? Why? I don't know why I'm crazy about it. I just don't know why it's taken over like this, but I can't stop looking at it. Oh, girl, I love it so flippin' much. I don't know, the leathery C. I mean, my C is leathery. Girl, why did I say that? But yeah, girl, we have something in common. You're tiny. I'm not, but we both have leathery C's. Okay, so I love that detail on it. I just really do. And tiny. Oh, man. I'm being so ginger with it. Gingerly, just like kid gloves. The leather is soft. It's that Napa calfskin. I think I've heard people say they've called it Napa calfskin. I don't know if I'm telling you right or not, but I think that's what people have described this at. You know me, when I fall in love with something, I don't read any descriptions. I don't get to know about it. I just am, we've got to be together at all costs. I don't care. Be damned. Yeah, I'm gone over this. So, anyhow, ooh, her strap. I am going to crossbody this with a vengeance. And the green one, I probably don't need both because I love the tiny bags, but that green one is just, I mean, look at her. She's so gorge. Look at her skin. Oh, but here's the size comparison of the two. Yes, this mini baby. Woo. I love. All right, so I guess I've unboxed and gone over this. I should do a what fits, and we're going to get to the tiny bags that, just an FYI, we're going to get to the tiny bags that I unboxed last video. I don't know when, but we're going to do some comparison and side-by-sides and what fits in those, and I'll compare them together because I just went through unboxing them the other day, and a lot of people did want to see, like, what's the MCM next to the Louis Vuitton, you know, so we're going to do that for sure. I can tell you that 3 of those tiny bags, she's not carrying, girl, nothing, okay, but the little baby Speedy, I'm having that one painted, and the MCM bag, which I'm carrying right now, girl, those, yeah, you can definitely get some stuff in there. You can stuff some stuff in there. Anyhow, so we'll do another comparison video on this, but I just wanted to do an unboxing and an unveiling of these Pillow Tabbies. Girl, go on the Coach website, get them, go to the store, find them. Definitely hit up your essay on this if you want to. Thank you to everybody that's helped me secure these bags, and also thanks to Gwenny for the Jaffa cakes. And Mark, thank you so much. Love them. Almost eating them all, but hey, I want to go sit and look at them, right? And also thank you to Yota, and go over to Yota's video. I'm going to link it down below. We've partnered up on this, so she is going to unbox and do some, you know, maybe some mod shots. I don't really know, but she's going to show you her bags that she bought in this Coach Pillow Tabby style. I believe she got a couple. If they both come in, she's going to unveil them for you too. So go on over to Yota of YotaStyle and have a great rest of the day. And guys, if you could do one thing for me, please. Okay, a few things. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and remember, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh my God, it's Yota right now. Winnie, please tell me how I give my man the proper... Yota, we're going to have to discuss this in private, girl.
Bam.